We begin India first with this very disturbing story of the Tejas light combat aircraft crash at the Dubai Airshow. Now, this was a demonstration, a flight that happened 2:10 this afternoon local time. The aircraft, as you can see in these pictures, it just went down while performing a low-level maneuver in front of thousands of spectators, and there were a large number of cameras that have filmed the last 50 seconds of this flight. Just watch, it just suddenly comes crashing down. Unfortunately, the brave young pilot was killed in this air crash. Charred debris and thick smoke and a huge ball of smoke were seen at the crash site. The Indian Air Force has ordered a court of inquiry to know the exact cause of this crash. We get you more in this report.
Oh, shit!
The flag bearer of Make in India, a jet that earned global applause. Now mired in tragedy.
Oh, shit!
A Tejas jet crashed during a demo flight at the Dubai Airshow 2025.